Welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about multiplication, multiplying one digit number by a two-digit number using area model. So using area model, okay? We are doing one digit number multiplied by a two-digit number, okay? First example is 24 times 2. So in area model, first we have to draw the boxes. Because here we have a two-digit number 24, we are making into two boxes. 24 is nothing but 20 plus 4. Okay. And here we are multiplying it by 2. First box, what you'll do is we'll do 2 times 20. 2 times 20 is 40. For the second box, 2 times 4, which is 8. After multiplying the two numbers, we have to add the answers from the two boxes. So 40 plus 8 is 48. 24 times 2 is equal to 48. Okay. Coming to the second example, we will do 43 times 9. 43 is a two-digit number. So we are making the big box into two boxes, 40 and 3. Now we are multiplying it by 9. So first box, 9 times 40 is 9 times 4 is 36 and 0 here. 9 times 4 is 36 and 9 times 0 is 0. So it is 360. And 9 times 3, which is 27. After multiplying in the individual boxes, we will add those two numbers. So 360 and 27. 7, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3. 43 times 9 is 387. Okay. Coming to the third example. 94 times 5. 94 is a two-digit number. So we are making the box into two boxes, 90 and 4. And here we are multiplying it by 5. So 90 times 5 is 450 because 9 times 5 times 9 is 45 and then 0. Okay. And 5 times 4 is 20. We can add those two numbers, 450 and 20. That gives you 470. 94 times 5 is equal to 470. Okay. I'll do the fourth example now, which is 69 times 7. 69 is a two-digit number, so we will make the box into two boxes, 60 and 9. And we are multiplying it by 7. So 60 times 7. We know 7 times 6 is 42. So 60 times 7 is 420. 9 times 7 is 63. Now we have to add those two boxes, 420 and 63, which is 483. Now coming to the fifth example, 86 times 5. Okay. 80 and 6, we are multiplying it by 5. 80 times 5 is 5 times 8 is 40 and 80 times 5 is 400. 5 times 6 is 30. You will add those two numbers now. 430 is 430. 86 times 5 is equal to 430. I hope I gave you a clear idea about multiplying one digit number by a two digit numbers. Thank you for watching.